Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fade an image into any color background using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose any template or start with a blank canvas. It's completely up to you. Next, upload the image you want to use. Click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, and then drag and drop your image into the design. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto the canvas and resize it to fit your design. Make sure it's positioned exactly where you want it. Now, let's add the background color. Go to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for a square or rectangle shape. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it to cover the entire background. With the shape selected, click on the color tile in the top toolbar. Choose any color you like. This will be your background color. You can even use the color picker to match a specific shade. To fade the image into the background, click on your image and then select the Adjust option in the top toolbar. Lower the transparency slider until the image starts to blend with the background color. For a smoother fade effect, you can add a gradient overlay. Go back to the Elements tab and search for a gradient shape. Place it over your image and adjust its transparency to blend the image and background seamlessly. Finally, take a moment to fine-tune your design. And that's it. You've successfully faded an image into any color background. If you're ready to create stunning designs, try Canva Pro for free. Link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.